Coding Inspector Level 1 NACE-CIP1-001 exam. Actual questions are valuable in your preparation. Share some NACE-CIP1-001 exam questions here. 1. An inspector's personal logbook should contain A. Subjective comments regarding the application team. B. Objective comments regarding the application work. C. No comments regarding the application team. D. The inspector's personal opinions of the application team. 2. You have just received your NACE-CIP Level 1 certification when you are asked to supervise a team of uncertified field pipeline inspectors. Your first preferred course of action is to A. Accept the assignment without hesitation. B. Advise the prospective employer that you cannot accept the position. C. Meet with the prospective employer to determine the scope of your role. D. Review the NACE attestation prior to making a decision. 3. Good records can provide maintenance departments with detailed information about all of the following except A. What items were coded. B. What materials were used. C. When the coding will be reapplied. D. How the item was coded. 4. Non-conformance reports are completed by the inspector. A. In every instance that an item does not meet the specification requirements. B. When the inspector deems it to be a significant non-conforming item. C. When the inspector and contractor deem it to be a significant non-conforming item. D. In accordance with the specification's definition of a non-conformance. 5. The initial steel condition is important to the NACE inspector because A. If the steel is pitted, more coating will be required. B. Less abrasive as need if the mill scale is gone. C. It affects the final appearance after blasting. D. The inspector may have to reject the steel. 6. What is used to determine compressed air cleanliness? A. Needle pressure gauge. B. Psychrometer. C. Blotter test. D. Profilometer. 7. Osmotic blistering is most likely to occur as a result of A. Inadequate anchor pattern, surface profile. B. Overcoating a surface contaminated with chemical salts. C. Airless spray application. D. Applying tine coating too thin. 8. When performing tests for oil and grease using an ultraviolet light, the NACE inspector should be aware that A. Chloride salt may produce a false positive. B. Synthetic oil or grease may not be identified. C. Ultraviolet light may contaminate the surface. D. Presence of weld spatter may produce a false positive. 9. To achieve consistently accurate results with all ALT test equipment, A. Wear gloves when sampling. B. Wash your hands before sampling. C. Avoid placing the sample discs on a surface. D. Calibrate the instrument in the field. 10. Using SSPC-VIS1 as a guide when performing a visual inspection of a steel surface prior to surface preparation. A NACE inspector would assign which designations to the surface condition. A. Rust grades AD. B. Surface conditions e.g. C. Rust grades 1 to 4. D. Surface condition H.